बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम guys, welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you guys? I hope so you all are fine, and I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, this channel is all about craft work, all about art ideas and decoration ideas. So guys, in this video I am showing you a super easy, outclass and stunning polymer clay art and craft decoration ideas. This video is based on clay craft decoration ideas. You can make these craft work very easily. You can watch polymer clay tutorials on YouTube. These are super classy, pretty and super unique craft work, especially for kids and for beginners. I hope so you like this video, and if you like these polymer clay craft work, then leave the comment in the comment section and share this video with your friends, with your family members. You can watch different other craft work on my channel like macrama and pebble craft, button craft and so on. If you want different other craft work videos, then you guys tell me in the comment section. I will upload those craft work videos on your demands. These are very attractive craft work and very pretty images of polymer clay centerpieces decoration ideas. You guys decorate your homes with these craft work. These are super amazing and super easy craft work. I hope so you like this video. Then hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. Always keep supporting my channel, and I am very thankful to you all guys that you can support my channel. So take care, be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.